Yes! 500 subscribers! Yes! Thank you. Thank you so much for trusting me that I can provide valuable content and entertaining content and whatever. It's crazy to think that 500 people decided to subscribe to this channel. And this is basically the first real milestone that this channel has ever had, because when I started I already had, I think, like 150 subscribers, so I couldn't celebrate the first 10 or the first 100. They were already there. So until today I didn't have any milestone. So this is the first real celebration of this channel, and it's incredible how far we've come. And if you think I'm overreacting, well, it is really difficult to build a YouTube channel. Like this year alone, which is already it's almost November, so 10 months have passed since I really started this channel, and I've gained only 280 subscribers. And I'm saying only, it's not all, it's a lot of people subscribing to my channel, but compared to the period of time, 10 months, that's a lot of work. So it is difficult to build channels. However, I am really dedicated. I really love this channel. I really enjoy making these videos and talking to the camera and just actually seeing myself like improve bit by bit, or just finding some places to produce a better content, either by editing skills or filming or just getting comfortable in front of the camera. It's amazing. And well, you basically enable for me to do this stuff. But before we moving on, I really wanna tell you that 500 people, right? That's a lot of people if you think about it. Like seriously, does any of us have like 500 friends, like real people who you can actually meet, I don't know, once a month at least? 500 people. And I found this website that because I wanted to somehow visualize like how many people is that, because we live in a world where 1 million views is nothing, or 10,000 views, or 100 million subscribers. And I think we kind of lost the connection of what that number means. I don't want to lose that. I want to know that even a small number is actually huge. And I found this website where it sort of compares the size of crowds, and 500 people is a really, really big theater, a cinema. That's the whole place filled up. And if all of us would gather in that place, I would feel intimidated. Like for real, that's a lot of people who decided to subscribe to my channel, and you're one of them. And I just want to say thank you. And visualizing that, it made me realize that I'm onto something, that something is happening, and I think we're rolling to the other side of YouTube, where I hope the growth picks up a bit better. But I mean, I do have a lot of plans for more new videos. This channel is not going anywhere. And talking about the future, I do have big plans for this channel, and I'm not stopping at the first 500 or the first 1000. But you are the OG subscriber of this channel, and if you do wish to keep those bragging rights in 1 or 2 years, when this channel hopefully hits 100,000 subscribers, the ultimate goal of any YouTuber, I suppose, you will have that bragging right that you were one of the first 500 people to subscribe to this channel. So comment down below, so that comment basically stays there until the end of days, and everybody will know that you were the original one watching this in 2020 of the month of October. So the bragging rights are right down in the comments down below. And again, really thank you to each one of you that decided to subscribe to this channel. It's amazing. It's really cool to keep checking those, to keep checking those analytics and see the number of people, kind of this community growing bit by bit. And it's awesome. I really wanna keep doing this like full time. I wanna do this every single day and nothing else. Editing and filming these videos. Just imagine if I could like wake up, do this, and then go to bed, not doing anything else. That sounds really, really tasty. Either way, thank you, and more videos are coming. So I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.